Siri ignoring "Hey Siri" on your iPhone 16 or freezing after iOS 18? Don't reset yet, here's how to fix it fast. First, check Core Settings. Tap Siri. Then ensure Talk to Siri, "Hey Siri," and allow Siri when locked are enabled. If they're already on, toggle them off, wait 5 seconds, then reactivate. When prompted, retrain Siri by speaking the setup phrases clearly. Background noise can cause recognition failures. If Siri stays unresponsive, force restart. For iPhone 16 models, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary OS conflicts affecting Siri's microphone or response system. Update iOS immediately. Navigate to General, Software Update. Install any available patches. iOS 18.0.1 specifically fixed Siri bugs for many users. Reset critical subsystems. Go to Settings, Siri and Search, scroll down, and tap Delete Siri and Dictation History. Next, visit Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't erase data but resets network and privacy rules that may block Siri. For deeper issues, use MagFone iOS System Recovery to repair iOS conflicts without data loss. Select iOS System Repair, then choose Standard Repair Mode. Download the recommended firmware and click Start Repair. This rebuilds corrupted system files, e.g. Siri voice drivers, in 10 to 15 minutes, preserving photos and messages. If hardware is suspected, test your microphone using voice memos. If audio is distorted, clean the mic mesh with a soft brush or visit Apple support. Damaged mics won't trigger Siri.